Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Brave browser. Dark mode changes the appearance of the Brave browser interface and gives it a darker theme. This can be useful if you prefer a dark interface while using your browser. So let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Now, click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. The Brave settings page will now open. On the left side, find and click Appearance. You will now see different appearance settings for Brave browser. At the top of this page, find the Theme option. Now, click on Theme. A theme selection window or page will open. Here, you can choose the available theme options for Brave browser. Select the dark theme. Brave browser will now change its interface to dark mode. You can now see that the browser interface has a darker appearance. If you want to change the browser back to the light theme, simply return to the same theme settings and select the light option. You can also explore the other appearance settings available in this section to customize the look and layout of Brave browser. And that's how you can enable dark mode in Brave browser. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials.